You found a cleaning company, you booked an appointment. You even convinced yourself not to worry when their phone manner was a little, let's say, unrefined. But wait a minute, they've just arrived with Sif and Mr. Muscle. And that carpet cleaning machine you can hire from your local DIY shop. Now they're scrolling through social media on their mobile phone. What do you mean it's going to cost more than they quoted you on the phone? They leave, you feel cheated. Even more so when you wake up the following morning, the carpets are sopping wet and streaky. The oven has dried up, all white and powdery. Then when you call the mobile phone, it just cuts off. Wait, have they blocked you? That's the type of stories we have been hearing since we started back in 2011. That's where we started saying it's easy to hire someone to clean for you. It's not so easy to hire a professional cleaner. But that saying is not true anymore. And if you're watching this, you have just took step one in hiring a knowledgeable, fully trained local technician to complete a range of specialist domestic cleaning services. From professional full dismantle oven deep cleaning completed with low odour, environment, pet and family friendly solutions to fully revive your oven back to its former glory, which includes replacing burnt out bulbs and grease soiled extractor filters. Carpet deep cleaning and specialist spot stain removal, a full steam extraction deep clean, providing dry times anywhere between just 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on the level of soiling, but still delivering unrivaled results and can include a deflea treatment to settle those overcautious landlords or agents if you have pets. To superior end of tenancy deep cleans, using dry steam technology to deliver a first class result, using a property checklist to ensure a pristine clean. Working directly with the area's largest landlords and agents has taught us exactly what is required to secure a tenant's deposit and a landlord's satisfaction. Combine more than one of these services to make them even more cost effective. Our customer service advisors are happy to discuss requirements, provide a fixed quote and instantly book a visit with one of our 1 hour arrival slots that suits you. So if you want to put us to the test or want to find out more, please contact us now. Thank you.